Party jollof rice with me. Yesterday was my son's 7 years birthday, and we are having few of our family and friends. We are just having few close people. So we went ahead and said, okay, let me just cook jollof rice. Yeah, I'm prepping my jollof mix, my pepper mix a night before, because to make it work very easy for me the next day, even though I was so tired, and I'm still going to blow balloon that same night for decor. So I went ahead to prep my onions. See, I know they use my onions stingy for jollof rice, and then those are stingy. I have onions, tatashe, fresh pepper, and ginger, and of course my ogboge tomatoes, muti. You all know this, that I'm muti for life. So I went ahead to use 5 cans of muti, and just that tatashe you are seeing the long tatashe. I used 3. I just used 3 long tatashe and 5 onions for the pepper mix. This is just a night before the birthday night, birthday eve. Everybody's already sleeping. I just got back from work. This is almost like 1 o'clock already. So I have to prep this thing down, and also I'm still prepping my meat. So I just went ahead to slice everything inside blender for easy blend, so that when I wake up tomorrow morning, go just be easy, to be very easy for me to just work with. You get that kind of thing. So my son complete for 7 years. Hell, see me, small blessing of yesterday, and I have a 7 years old child. My miracle baby clocked 7 years. Like, I remember 7 years ago, 2018, October 31st, when they told me, we are no longer seeing your child's heartbeat in Germany. When I was in, after all the inducing, like labor was coming small. At the end of the come, like the door of a labor, the child inside me, my miracle child. It comes like the door of a labor, the child inside me. Then, before you know, after some couple of hours, they said, we are no longer seeing your child's heartbeat. Yeah, that's what they say. We're no longer seeing your child heartbeat. This time around, we have to go for 6 session. We have to operate your child, your wife. They told my husband, we have to operate your wife. My husband was like, oh, no. And they was telling my husband, you need to sign this document so we could just move on. And Gamma was just trying to shift back, no one wanted to sign. But I just told them, guys, you guys, when give me the paper, let me sign. So that's the child of that day. That's the child that they are not seeing his heartbeat 2018. Just clock 7 years today. Woo! That's huge. So I went. This was the next day after I've already boiled my tomatoes a night before. This was the next day. I make sure my onions is caramelized. See, to get good flavor, honestly, try make your onions be like waiting one bone. Someone say your granite oil. Yeah, then you see the flavor it will give your rice and stew safe. Then I went ahead to fry my tomatoes. Here is the pepper we blended last night. We prepped last night. So I fried my tin tomatoes to the point say it don't really dry. Then I went ahead to turn my tin tomato. I said, oh God. Then I went ahead to turn my tomatoes that I blended last night. What I prepped last night already. This is why Nigeria is very, very good. Like, Nigeria too sweet. As I want to just do mini party. Because me, I don't like stress. So I swear down, I don't like stress. In as much as I can afford that thing, I can afford to pay for it. So I don't like stress. You said on Nigeria now, just go ahead and pay for it and beg. Even though say this stew kind of too much, the stew was too much. I have to reduce. Honestly, I sure did reduce. I reduced for the stew so that I go use the stew cook another, maybe just another rice. Then I added my seasoning. I just put 2 cubes of maggi. No, it's not, by the way. So say 2 cubes of no is equals to 4. So I just added 4 first and some more salt. I wanted to season it a bit first to see, so that I go fit carry come on from inside. Maybe we fit use and eat any other rice the next day. In case if this rice no reach, of which this rice no reach the next day, this rice actually finished that very day. It finished yesterday. This rice no reach. It no reach today. This morning I have to cook on that rice because everybody No, but everybody was just talking about this jollof rice. The jollof rice was jollofing because they were just people just like the jollof rice actually yesterday. So, and I'm glad that at least I could. I'm not a professional chef, but I make people comfortable when it comes to food. God, I beg go. Then I go put. Then I went ahead to put my meat water. After I don't minus from the stew, minus remove whichever one. After I don't remove from the stew, then I went ahead to put my meat water. Then I can turn of which I season this thing again later. Then I cover leave and make it boil first. Then I come back to season it again. I added more salt because I already remove the one why I no one put inside. Not even that I added more maggi because you need to season your jollof rice stew base. The secret of jollof rice is in the stew base. You need to season to be a bit slightly salty. English speaker. Like you need to season the jollof rice stew base, make it a bit salty, so that because you know if you say you want to try balance the taste for your side stew, if you say make balance the taste for your side stew base, my guy, your rice not go be rising. The taste of a rice something not go catch them. And we all know say jollof rice just needs steam to done. You know, no, if you can't the same, you can't put seasoning on top like that, you know, go enter the rice well like that. Some side go get, some side not go get. So I went there to put my washed rice. This rice be one for my hand. The rice be one for my hand though. I could have taken this rice not go too much past this pot, so because this is my biggest pot, even though I've been broadcastinating that I want to buy new pot, I want to buy a new pot. And to say this pot don't serve more. I go market and not go remember say I want buy pot. I don't throw away this particular pot before. I go rebring a come. What a life. Not because I don't throw am inside trash bin. Like I don't go put am for garage. Say I go throw am for the carry dirty come aside. The next day I bring this pot come back inside house. My husband got a laugh me say, see your life. I don't say nothing give this pot freedom. The only way I'll give this pot freedom now, the moment I don't see another pot for my kitchen, now they give this pot freedom because this is my biggest pot. Then I went ahead to add more water because I need my rice to be soft. I know the John shop, but those kind hard jollof for person no go fit swallow. I like my rice to make it soft. You go there really soft. You get be like you chop normal rice and stew with the boy. Not always say rice go be like olumoko rock. Rice go be like olumoko rock, the name of jollof. So that's it, you guys. And I went ahead to cover it. This first attempt of using this 4 paper to take cover this rice, it showed me shaky. Just fall for inside. But come. I try put it over see because it's just for inside. It's still okay. Now come out and sharply say okay. Oh, I know if you can't distress myself. I just come out to put another one. Then that's it for our jollof rice. Our jollof rice will soon be ready. I just cover it back again and I leave it and on my gas put for low heat because we all know say jollof rice no need heat to really done. I just did this thing the vapor. I was about to use that cover to cover that rice. Now I realize that rice done. That thing does stain for stew. Now they go wash and continue cover up. And here come our almighty get jollof rice that my guest love. See my jollof rice. The jollof rice was jollof. See, I can't later the boy meat for the other side because the meat where I cook for people that are coming for our birthday power mini berry party, my family members have used mass to finish it. Not my clear I take go fridge go carry another meat come outside come they reboil for them because time don't go already. You get my family member they use my finish the meat. Anyway, you guys, thank you for watching, thank you for clicking, thank you for staying tuned. Our jollof rice is ready. Thank you.